Students, it's Mr. Dahl here from Mankato East, here with another video update about AP Human Geography. A couple of things on the table to discuss, but I'll make it short and quick here. I wanted to make sure you guys realize a situation that came up. We are doing conferences November 9th, but unfortunately I'll be away for that day and away from reliable internet. So what I'm going to do is offer 2 different nights next week to have a conference if you want to discuss any questions, comments, or concerns. In this email, along with this video, you're going to see a link to how you sign up for those conferences. That'll be digital. There'll be a video conference for no more than about 7 to 10 minutes to try to get through as many as possible on 4 hours. But what you'll have here is a sign up that looks similar to this screen, where you can see times, where you'll just click on my name and you'll put yours in, and it'll automatically create a video link that's specific to you once I hit yes to the video. So that's what it'll look like for you. But a few things here before I let you go. I wanted you guys to be aware of a great resource that is available to the students. It's the AP College Classroom. In here, we happen to be in Unit 3, so I've chose to look at Unit 3. You can see there is the topics are the most important, the standards. There are videos and practice questions that are available for every single unit we discuss. And at the bottom, they have practice FRQs and practice multiple choice questions. So it's a great resource for students to be able to help and guide them throughout the year. I also wanted to show you on the left here, I have it kind of minimized, but if you look over on the left side of the screen, you'll see I can tell when your child or student is checking into AP Human Geography class. I also can see how long they're spending on their assignments and on their quizzes. If you're ever curious or want to know how I know when your child's not maybe participating, there is a timestamp that takes place in Moodle for all the activities or most of the activities. So if you ever want to know if your child truly is working and how long, you can see that, or you can ask me and I can let you know about that. Okay, one other option that I wanted you guys to think about is if your child is working really hard, they're reading their textbook, and maybe the quizzes aren't coming natural to them because they are very challenging questions, it's possible that maybe they would benefit from you or somebody in the class or in the house reading the question to them aloud. And that's perfectly fine to get them to think about how effective it is to read a question out loud, because truly sometimes they might know the content, they just don't understand what the question's asking. So that might be a strategy to try if your child is having a hard time with some of the quizzes. And the last piece, this week, we wrap up Unit 2 with the biggest test of the quarter, as well as another vocab quiz and FRQ. The children have been more than communicated with this. They're aware of it. We did a Kahoot. We'll do a Kahoot for the B kids starting the end of the week here. But if you could, just make sure they realize how important that assessment is, and they should retake it if need be and make sure they study for it before they take the quiz. All right. But again, I will be sending out in this email with the video a link to sign up for a conference if you'd like. By no means do you have to have a conference, as your children are definitely improving every week that we're in this class. But if you want to, there's an opportunity for you guys to meet with me digitally by signing up for the Google Calendar link that will be provided on this communication. Thank you.